Well, welcome back to Livin Free RC. This was supposed to be the second bashing video, but the first bashing video at a skate park. But unfortunately, within the first 3 to 5 seconds when we tried that, I broke 3 of the 4 stock shocks that are plastic that come on the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. So instead, we're going to do... try to see if we can rig this up and get it to run with some common things that you see around the house. I got some Loctite. I have some of the basic tools that come with the Traxxas Rustler and some essential oils. See if we can fill it with oils, whatever we got, and some Gorilla Tape, and we'll see what we can do. So I hope you enjoy it. But for now, let's roll the footage so you can see what happened for yourself. Roll that beautiful bean footage.
To Electro RC, I'm Will. Again, that's Gimbal behind the camera. Today we're messing with...
Cut. Oh, damn.
What is?
The car.
How? The shock came out. It's not only smashed, but it got ground off as well. I think I lost the rubber diaphragm that holds the oil in. That happened to 2 different shocks within 5 seconds of this. This is the 3rd time I believe we've run this. 3rd time. So I need to get new shocks. Here on Electro RC, thanks for joining us. Have a good one. Later on.
Alright, so let's get to it. Let's get some tools and take some of this stuff apart. Should I take the wheels off? I don't think I need to, but it'll be a lot easier to see if we do. So let's take the little tool that comes with the Traxxas Rustler and see if we can take these wheels off. So this is the only one that's good, so I'm going to take both fronts and this rear off. Place to put the tools so I don't lose them. How about this little box here from the battery that we just unboxed? Something to look forward to is our next little session at the skate park. Hopefully that goes better than it did last time. But we did get the 3-cell battery already in the mail. So we're going to unbox that now. So I got a POVWAY, and it is a 4500 milliamp 3-cell 11.1 50C, and it's got a little truck on it. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So back to the video. So we got one tire off. I'll stack that up right there. The other front one. Tire looks good, no cracks of the plastic, nothing coming off the rim. Everything looks good from that crash except for the shocks kind of came apart where they're threaded here. Actually, well, I could pull on them and they seem fine, but they at least have to get more fluid in them so they work properly again. It looks like we got a little fuzzy on there. Some red. I don't know what that is.
That's not supposed to be there. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be there. Let's work on the shocks. The worst one first here is this one, which did rip off and then grind on the ground, so it's not really at a right angle anymore. It's kind of, you know, it's kind of funky. And something else that happened in the crash was, you see this little gap here in the plastic that had actually popped off like that on all three of these shocks. An extra little tip here: if you run out of spacers and you want them real tough for the big jumps or whatever you're doing here, you just use a zip tie for an extra little space there. So let's take this cap off here and see if this is the one, if I'm right. Is this the one that got ground? Oh yeah, that's the one. See, look at that. Look how ground off that is. And it's pretty much out of oil. Perhaps we should get a rag to dump the oil in. In case there's any left. No, not really. So it needs oil, and that's just ground off. So we're going to have to see if we can take that. And is there a diaphragm still in here?
Well guys, I think that's about it for this one. We will continue when we get the aluminum shocks. The truth is, I have no confidence in this repair with what I have with the duct tape. I can squish it and I can hear it. The oil and the air squeezing out of there. So there is absolutely no seal in there. So to be continued.
Alright, so we're going to give it a quick test after the failed repair of the Traxxas Rustler. Let's give it a try.
What happened at the skate park just happened again, because again we're testing 3 broken shocks just to test anyway. But I want you to see down here exactly what happened. See, it pops out like this and then grinds along the ground, and that's what gave us that flat thing here, which is why it won't hold a seal. So thanks for watching. I think that's about it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Later on.